So today, guys, we have the game 5. It's very good. Like, yup, it's very good. You can also see the was this logo in the sole, and the traction is very good. If you want to see the bottoms like that, pretty good. Like, I won't use them for outdoors because the traction is very good. You don't want to waste it. Yeah, you could also see a signature right here, and you could also see the logo right here and here. Mama, what are you doing?
Dito ka sa kwarto kay gasabas-sabas mo dire sa gripo. Dito ka sa kwarto, make your sure.
Okay, kuya.